Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the day before New Year's Eve, so it's New Year's Eve, and my nails look like this, and I don't want my nails to look like this, but I also want to pay to get my nails done. And if you guys watched my what I got for Christmas video, I got this little acrylic kit. So, you know, what else can I do but just do my own acrylic nails? But I'm just hoping this turns out good. I've never done acrylic nails. I've watched a couple of videos, but not like that recently. I should probably watch them right now, but I'm just gonna follow the directions. I don't know if there are directions or like literally anything. I know nothing about how to do this. This is a Mia Secret, don't even know what that is. Mia Secret Professional Nail System Clear Acrylic Powder Kit is what it's called. My mom said that she got this from Sally's. The nails on there look, whoa, I'm not gonna try to go for that, but let's see. I really have no idea what I'm doing. So it comes with the acrylic powder. All right, little nail buffer, don't even know what to do with that. Nail file, okay. Ultra Gloss Dry Fast Top Coat. Nail prep to dehydrate natural nail. This is primer. Nail glue, all right. The monomer. We got some nail tips. Literally came with not many at all, but how many are in here? Looks like just one set. And the little brush. Okay. I'm gonna try to set up my phone. I don't even know like how or like where. So like you can see me, but then I can get some clips of my nails too. All right, this could literally not be more ratchet of a setup, but I have you guys over here now. So I have my little directions and all this stuff. First thing on the directions is prep the nail. Apply official nail remover, blah, blah. Lightly file the entire nail bed. Dehydrate the nail, and then put on the primer. So I have, where is it? Okay, I have this little thing that's like, and so I'm actually gonna file my nail down with this because this thing isn't too harsh on my nails. This like little grit, as you can see, like I don't even know if it really even files my nail. Okay, it's one hand done. Alright, so I feel like I just lightly filed them because I don't know, I really cringe at filing the top of my nails. And I think you're supposed to do it in like one direction, not go like back and forth. I'm just trying my best, I'm trying to learn. Also, don't come at me because I already said I know nothing about this. I'm just trying it, save my money, and not even just like save my money, but just I like doing things myself. I don't know. It's like how I like doing my hair. Like I don't even like going to the salon. Not even, it does save me money, but it's like I genuinely enjoy doing these things myself. If you have helpful little things, then feel free to comment them down below, but don't attack me because I'm just trying my best and just trying to have fun, and your nails aren't the end of the world at all. Next, I applied the dehydrator. Let me clean up my area. So dehydrate natural nail with nail prep, and then we apply the primer, and then we put on the tips and then cut them. Let's start with the little dehydrator. This is the dehydrator. I literally I didn't even pay attention at the nail salon whenever they do my nails. I never even realize that they do this stuff. I don't want to use too much, but I don't want to use too little. I'm not really sure what the right amount is, but I'm sure that's fine. And then it said to put on the primer. I'm not really being too careful with this because I feel like I don't have to. I just feel like the main part is the acrylic. And this stuff says to apply the primer for long-lasting nails. And honestly, this might look really bad. So I don't really know if I want that long-lasting of nails. Next, we have to pick out the nail tips. So just rip these open. I'll definitely have to buy more of these if I ever want to do this again. I guess I'll just lay them out right here. Which looks like these two are the tiniest. And that's still too big for my little pinky nail, so I'm gonna just use scissors and cut it, because actually at the nail salon they have to do this for me because my nails are just so small. But you know what, that's fine. There, that fits better now. Select the correct size, apply glue on the edge of the tip, and make sure you're 10 seconds, blah blah blah. Okay. So basically just stick it on like fake nail, but at the tip. A little right there. Honestly, sounds like a lot. Right, perfect. I feel like this is supposed to be like the really easy part of the process. Is just doing this right here. So I feel like I'm just gonna hurry and try to do this off camera and then come back when it's like the actual important part. That's really scary because this, all I'm gonna be doing is applying all these all around, which isn't that fun. Okay, so I'm back and these are all of my nails. Woo! All right, we are definitely going to have to cut them now. I don't have like one of the cool little nail cutter things that they have at the salon. I just have scissors. And then get to the fun part. Guys, how am I supposed to pick this up? Oh my goodness, I should have cut these like right when I started one by one. Oh my goodness, okay, that like flattened out the nail. I have no other option, like I have nothing else to use but scissors. So I guess we're just gonna have to figure this out at the end. Like I have to use scissors. Maybe I'll do a little section at a time like that. Oh, you can't even see. And then flip my hand and do it like that. Yes, okay. This method works a little better if I just cut. Whatever, I don't even care. I'm just gonna cut them all and then we'll figure it out. That's what they look like, but I'm gonna file them and try to shape them. And so I'm also going to do that part off camera. And because I feel like if I just put my stuff down there, it's just, I just need to get it right near my face and file them. And then I'll be back after they're filed and show you guys what they look like then. Okay guys, I am back after filing. They're definitely really not the best looking nails I've seen at all, but they look like this. They're definitely better after filing. Next it says to file like where the nail tip meets your nail, like that line. So I'm gonna try to do that with this little thing real quick. And we'll see how this works. I really hate filing my nail, like my actual nail, so this makes me cringe. Also on this pinky nail right here, we had a little mishap and it flew off, so I did put this little nail tip on, which isn't even like a real one, so it's one of the ones I cut off, so we'll see how this one works. I had to really improvise. So I feel like that is good enough. I'm not positive. This is what they look like so far. They're definitely rough, but for my first time, they definitely could be worse so far. Okay, so this is them filed again. I feel like I like that shape better. And let's see what the next step is. Alright, so this is like the actual acrylic time. So, dipping the brush in the monomer container twice each time. Blah, 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 remove excess liquid. So guys, I am really ratchet here, and I'm using a K-cup thing as my little holder. I had to clean it out just so I can pour this in there instead of dipping my brush right into the bottle, because I'm pretty sure that's like, you're not supposed to do that. I'm so scared because I know like you have to be so precise. I watched a video on like how much you're supposed to get on your brush and stuff, but it's so much easier just watching someone do it, I know for a fact, than actually trying to do it. So I'll try to show you guys what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to start with my thumb, I guess. Get this completely wet. So I heard to dip it in here and then just go like that once. And then you pick up a bead like that. Okay. Try that out. I feel like that might have been too wet of a bead, but I feel like I got a pretty good first nail done. First time. There we go. There's my thumbnail. I'm not gonna, I know like you can add more in the middle for shape and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna be too particular since this is my first time. I'm just trying it out and seeing what I can do. So let's try again. See, that was too liquidy of a bead too, and too big. This brush is a little big for my little nails though. I might have to get a different brush. So there's my thumb after it's dry. I actually feel like that's a good first nail. I'm happy with that. So now we're gonna try these. I'm gonna wipe it off twice, even though the video I watched said not to do that, but I'm just gonna try. Yes, okay, that seemed to work better for me. Right, there was my third nail. Can't tell if I'm even getting better. I'm just gonna feel these two. They feel pretty good, smooth. Wait, I actually really like that one. I feel like this one actually turned out really good. So yeah, maybe with this brush and my nails, or this kit at least, using less of the monomer. Uh-oh, that's a really big glob for my pinky. Uh-oh, and it's liquidy. Turned out okay. I don't know, I can't really tell until they're dry. Like these, I feel like actually turned out so good. Here. Oh, this is gonna be so hard. I can already tell with my left hand. That was the perfect bead. I don't know what I did differently there, but I feel like that was the perfect bead and what it looks like when they do my nails in the nail salon. Perfect. Literally have, see, I don't know what I'm doing different each time to get different beads, but that one looks really good to me. I feel like that was a pretty good bead again. I'm just amazed on like that I'm actually doing this right now and it's not like awful. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So this nail's definitely more, I mean this hand's definitely more rough because it's my left hand. Alright, so these are my nails so far. I'm going to file them. I just touched that and it wasn't dry. Uh-oh, I just touched my pinky one, but I feel like it's fine. So I'm going to file these down and paint them and come back and show you them after they're painted and stuff, but this is what they look like so far. Alright guys, so my nails are still drying a little, but this is what I decided to do on them. If it focuses, there we go. So I just painted them white and then did these fingers with like these little beads. They're different colors. They're like black and silver. I don't know if I like the beads yet, but I just want to do something like different for New Year's. They're kind of cute, but the nails, okay, Beads don't matter. Let's talk about the acrylic. You could definitely see more bumps when I started painting them, but I honestly think they turned out really good. I actually really like them. I could have made them longer, but it's a learning process. This is my first time. I'm really happy with my first time doing them. I think they look super cute. I'm really happy about them. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to answer if I even know the answer. If you guys have tips, leave them down below, because I feel like I'm definitely gonna just start trying to do my own nails now, because this is so fun for me. Hopefully you guys try it out if you want to, because I don't know, I'm just so happy with it. I feel like I said that so many times, but I don't know if this was even helpful at all, but maybe it was entertaining. I don't even know. Comment down some other things you guys want me to try out so you don't have to, or anything like that. But thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!